This is so fun, dude.
Isn't it? Oh my god. I gotta build me one.
I guess I'm scared. I've never gone like far on a dirt bike.
Yeah, I'm on my own. I don't need no one. I don't. Yeah.
What's up with all this wiring, dude?
Yeah, I gotta work on the cable management a little bit. I get that in the comments a lot.
Alright, I'll fix it for you.
Uh-oh. Wires are all cleaned up, and we got the new riser bars on there. I gotta see you take this for a spin. It's on and it's in the highest power mode. It's not a full charge, so you're probably getting like 80% full power right now.
Pretty cool! Past that car and they were flying. Jesus. This is so fun, dude.
Isn't it?
That was everywhere, huh?
Yeah.
Look at that one. This is so much fun, bro. It's fast and quiet.
Right? Discreet, and you can put it in your trunk, and you know the range is really insane. Like you can get so much range on this. Easily as much as the Suron.
Oh my god. I gotta build me one.
Right? Imagine this with some underglows, some Bajas, and you know, oh, there's so much you could do with it.
Most definitely. Wear me out going back and forth for nothing. I know. We're done.
Listen to them purr. Yes, I am. Just like a husky walking around minding his own business. Alright, I'm following you. Let's not go too far though.
Why?
Okay, we'll go anywhere. Let's do it.
What do you got something to do or what?
No, I guess I'm scared. I've never gone like far on a dirt bike.
Oh, okay, you'll be good.
This bike feels a little weaker than when I last rode it.
Oh yeah, it's underpowered for sure.
Why?
Yeah, it's not tuned.
Oh.
The tuner.
Oh, it's... So this is a CRF 110 with the big bore kit, I believe. But it doesn't have the tuner. It was a little stronger last time I rode it. He's got the tuner. dope. This is the first time I've ever done this. This is ridiculous. There's no kickstand on this one? That's so sick. All right, let's get. The sky is just stunning right now. Do a wheelie! Do a wheelie! Hey! Oh! This is like my first time riding a dirt bike beyond one block of where it's located. This is really fun. No way. Woo! Beautiful bikes. Damn. Alright, there you go. Couple mods on the MinE-Moto and a little rip around on the dirties. As always, thank you so much for watching. And stay tuned.
Yeah,